Congratulations on buying your Hyper Spinner. Let's get it unboxed and put it together.
You might want to have a friend help you get the bike out of the box, then remove all the packaging. Make sure you have the necessary tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, Allen keys, adjustable wrench, pliers with cable cutting ability, and a bike pump. Place the axle into the fork trap outs, then set the safety washer and tighten the axle bolts on both sides until they are fully tight. The seat post, making sure the seat is straight, and you go past the minimum insertion line. Then tighten the seat post bolt with an Allen key. Next, we'll install the handlebars. Insert the stem into the headset and then tighten the headset bolt with a wrench. Now check the handlebar clamp bolts and tighten them in an X pattern. Now we'll set up the rear brake to the gyro brake system. First, run the cables through the handlebars, then attach the barrel adjuster to the upper plate of the gyro. Then attach the cable head to the middle plate. Now you can set the rear brake cable tension at the brake caliper. Make sure there's 1/8 of an inch of space in between the brake pads and the rim on both sides. You can adjust the brake pads so they line up to the rim if you need to. You might need to readjust the cable tension so the brake pads aren't rubbing and the brake is working properly. Make sure the cable and housing are seated and not loose. To install the front brake, run the cable through the stem bolt, out the bottom, through the housing mount on the fork, then loop back up through the fork and then attach the cable to the front brake caliper, making sure the cable and housing are tight and fully seated in the caliper and brake lever. Now set the appropriate cable tension by squeezing the caliper and then tighten the cable bolt on the caliper. Double check to make sure the brakes are working and the wheel is spinning. You might need to make small adjustments to the cable tension. Now you can cut off the excess cable and crimp on the cable end. Now install the pedals with a wrench, making sure to use the corresponding pedal with the crank. The left pedal is reverse threaded, so turn it counterclockwise to tighten. Now with a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the reflectors on the handlebars and the seat post. You can now install the pegs. You can tighten by hand. Finally, air up the tires and make sure everything is tight and working properly.
Now that your bicycle is assembled, make sure to do the warranty at the back of the owner's manual or go to our website at hyperbicycles.com. You'll find the serial number on the bottom bracket of your bicycle. Now be sure to wear a helmet and have fun.